Hey there viewers, Sun God 2009. Pretty snowy out here in beautiful Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Well, I'm gonna show you what it's like over here for those of you who want to know what it's like up here. Yeah, that's deep. Say possibly, I say if I recall, 12 feet, maybe. I'm glad to be wrong. Regardless, that's not why I'm making this video. We're gonna do a cold start and go from there. People, it is storming out here. Woo. People will say I'm crazy doing this. Let me get this stuff out of the way. At least. There we go. Now the van can breathe. But regardless. Alright. Let's start off with my 2007 Toyota Sienna. Will the door open? It's dangerous out here. And, there. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Look at this place. Anyway, let me get my keys out. We'll see if it's gonna start. And you know what? Let's see if my wiper is doing its job. Awesome. Gotta love your, see, gotta invest in your new wipers. This is why you invest in your new wipers, people. Because they'll do the job for you if you need them. Alright. I got about 84,000 miles. 800, what the heck was I thinking? Yeah, 84,000 miles. Alright, let's see if it'll work. And it runs. Runs like a charm. You can rely on your Toyota Sienna 2007. But, alright, at least I know that works. That starts up. Let's do a quick one for the 2013 Toyota Corolla. Assuming nobody sees me doing it. Then again, I don't care. We'll do it real quick. This is a quick time to do it. Oh, I forgot how much I hate small cars sometimes. This is why people, I don't like small cars. Okay. That wasn't the right thing to do. I don't want to damage the wiper arm, so I'm going to leave it alone. This thing has 50,000 miles. So, let's see if it'll start. She runs like a dream. Awesome. Just wanted to show y'all that it works. Alright. Next, we'll go for the old junker. If I can reach for the old junker. You can depend on your Toyotas if you ever need to go anywhere. Except for snow time. Got ourselves a snowplow coming through. Alright. 2001 Toyota Corolla. Woo, it's cold out here. Uh-oh. Now I'm getting it into one of my seats. Now, ass protection required. Alright. Let's see, what do we have? 173,000 miles, almost 174,000 miles, but let's start it. Not bad for an old junker. Oh, yeah, there you go. To the car we don't care about, you can depend on it to do your job. Oh, my hands are frozen. Oh, that hurts. Okay. Well, at least it's doing what it's supposed to do. At least we know, and then there's one more car we can do, and we're done. Well, you beautiful viewers, this is a 2016 snow, man. Alright, let me get around so I can go to that RAV4 and say hi to it. We don't want to kiss the darn thing. That's why they call me the key keeper. Will I be able to get in? Only time will tell. I don't think I'll be able to do this car. But I can try. I should have known. And I got it into her seats. She ain't gonna be happy. I ain't gonna be telling her. Oh, here we are. Got 58,000 miles. Okay. It is cold in here. So there you have it, folks. I want to go inside, keep myself warm. I did the stupid video for you. I hope you find it entertaining for me to be walking in this cold weather looking stupid in front of everybody. I'm just kidding. That's not true. I love it. I love to do this. Well, that's all I gotta show you for today. Everybody who's in Philadelphia, stay inside, stay warm, and stay safe. To those of you who like... Well, there you have it, viewers. So cold outside, even my hands are numb and in a little bit of pain. It's cold, it's really bad. But that completes our cold start video. And also, just in case if any of you are wondering what it's like snowing in Philadelphia, well, now you know. So I'm hoping everybody stays inside, stay warm, stay safe. It's not a good idea to go out there. Be very, very vigilant of the road ahead of you. Anyway, if you have any more questions, please leave it in the comment below. Any computer questions, I suggest you subscribe to my channel. And I got a bunch, I have a couple of videos that might be helpful, computer related, that might be helpful to you. As you are aware, I work on Dell computers, but I can work on other computers like Apple and stuff like that. If you have any questions, as I said, leave it on the comment below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to, if you have any more, if you want to subscribe to another channel, don't forget to subscribe to my brother Eon Risel's channel. Also, subscribe to Dokusei Toxic Wolf. If I said it wrong, please correct me, or, you know, whatever. I apologize in advance if I said your channel name wrong. And also, don't forget to check out my friend Derek Schwartz's channel. He got a couple of good contents. If you want him to make any more videos, you can send me an inbox me or inbox him for more video content, and we'll see if either of them will do the same thing. Alright, so thank you for watching, and be safe, and have a wonderful winter day. Thank you.
I have what you do for me.